Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. In today's video, I'm sharing my full weekly reset routine, the exact system I use to organize both my life and my business without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. I literally cannot stop talking about this because it has changed my life so much. So think of this video as a behind the scenes look at how I stay on top of everything while still leaving room for rest and things that I enjoy. Step 1, the brain dump. Before I can plan, I need to clear the clutter. And what I mean by that is clear the clutter in my mind. I write down everything on my mind, broken down into categories, personal, family, business, so I can start fresh for the week ahead. Step 2, I organize and prioritize. I sort tasks into categories and highlight the ones that matter most. My top 3 priorities for the week always come first, so I know what success looks like before the week even begins. And what I mean by success is success to me. It looks different for all of us. Step 3, time blocking. I add in all of my non-negotiables, school drop-off, client calls, deadlines, and then I block time in for my top 3 priorities for the week. This way, I'm realistic about what can actually fit into my weekly schedule. Step 4. This is one that I don't talk about as often, but I reset my environment. I tidy my space because that helps clear my mind. I take only 20 minutes or so to clear off my desktop, wipe it down, prep a few easy meals, and even set out my outfit for Monday morning. It really saves so much decision fatigue later. Step 5, which should actually be step 1 because I do this first, but I decided to put it at the end because it isn't something that you have to do. It is just something that is nice to do, and that is to reflect and reset your mind. So I'll look back at what went well last week, what didn't, and adjust. Sometimes that's just writing in a journal, or it is doing the weekly reflections page in the Productivity Prism Planner, which is at the end of each week. And there are prompts for you to summarize the events and accomplishments for the week, what achievements were made, even some spots for gratitude, and even some priorities or goals you want to get done in future weeks. And that's my weekly reset routine. By the time Monday rolls around, I feel calm, clear, and ready to take on both business and life without the stress. Hold the stress, guys. Hold the stress. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips and planning routines. I greatly appreciate you all. I just do this as a hobby. I do not make money on YouTube. I genuinely just love sharing my methods because they've changed my life so much for the better. Also, if you wouldn't mind, drop a comment below and let me know. What's your must-do reset task every single week? I'd love to hear your ritual. Thanks again for being here, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!